channel. My name is Sterling and we are back with another video. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome back. And if you haven't, go ahead and click that button down there so you can go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today's look was inspired by St. Patrick's Day. I know this video is a little bit late. I really wanted to post this video before the St. Patrick's Day holiday, but I didn't get to, and that's okay. That's what I tell myself, at least. So I know the holiday did fall on a Monday, and sometimes they reschedule these things, they celebrate those things on the weekend. So I'm hoping that some of you guys will be out this weekend celebrating St. Patrick's Day, and you can go ahead and recreate this look so you can get out this weekend, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So guys, we're gonna get into this look today, and as you can see, I got my eyebrows done, I got my foundation done, and we are just gonna go straight into eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna be using this palette right here from Juvia's Place, Culture 2, and I'm gonna just go ahead and be using these green colors right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it in the crease area. I'm gonna go into this palette from Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna be using this brown right here just for a nice transition. Like that. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Gonna be using a little bit of shimmer, and we're gonna go with our NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna use this gold right here, this gold shimmer right here. And we're gonna go back with this brush and just blend out the edges for a nice smooth transition. That is it for now for the eyes. We're gonna come back to it, but we're gonna go ahead with our concealer. And this is the concealer that I'm using, guys, from Born This Way, and the shade Butterscotch. While we're letting that set for a little bit, we are gonna go with our contouring, and we're using this Milani cream bronzer in the shade 130. Okay, so I've seen some other girlies using this triangle to go ahead and blend out their concealer instead of a brush or a sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead today and use this triangle and see what it gives. Okay, so but first let's go ahead and spray our face. So we're gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and blend. I do want the under eye to be a little bit more bright, so we're gonna go ahead with the same concealer but in the shade Cookie. It's a shade lighter, so we are gonna use that, a little bit of that, just a little bit like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer now. We're gonna go with this setting powder from Tarte in the shade Honey. My camera overheated, so I had to go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. I had to use my little fan over it so I could let it cool down for a little bit. So in the meantime, I went ahead and added my lashes and did my waterline. So I used the same green color that I used in my lid. I went ahead and put it in my waterline as well. So those are the two things I believe. And I did bake a little bit. I did add a little bit extra powder. So now we are gonna go with this white eyeliner in our waterline. I wanted to add that little accent in this look, so let's go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna go with this bronze from NYX. This is pretty. I just got it, so this is the first time I will be using this. Okay, this is pretty. I love this. And we're gonna go with our blush from Juvia right here, and it's gonna be this color right here. And now we're gonna go with our FENTY powder and in the shade Coco. This is a new powder that I just got, so this we're gonna be using it together for the first time and set our face. And this is what we're using for the under eye. And we're gonna go with our Morphe setting spray. I wasn't really feeling the white liner under my eye, so I went ahead with my Inglot gel liner, and I went over it and just go ahead and completely get rid of it because I was not feeling it. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go with our lips, and we're using this chestnut from MAC. Lost a little bit of footage there. Sorry guys. I just added the gloss over this lipstick. That's all I did. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.